Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Granola AI. In order to do so, here we are at granola.ai. And what is Granola all about? It is the AI notepad for people in back-to-back meetings. Granola takes your raw meeting notes and makes them awesome. So you can click here to download this for Windows. And we've got notes and transcripts that are AI enhanced, trusted by teams at all these different reputable companies. It's like Apple Notes, but it also transcribes your meetings. And when the meeting ends, Granola enhances the notes that you've written. Works on all platforms, no meeting bots. It transcribes your computer's audio directly with no meeting bots joining the call. So that's nice. Customizable templates for your most common meeting types. Put your meetings to work. Has all the latest AI models built in so it can help you do your post-meeting action items. Share your notes with one click. It makes it easy to share on the platforms you're already using. And again, it's built for people with back-to-back meetings. We've got some testimonials here, and you can see here that you can download it for Windows and you can also get it for iPhone as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra, and if you use our referral link, you get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account. And once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family to get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.